Alright, we're going to change the oil in this Tao Tao engine, and you can see we got our nice little Yorkie. He's cooling it on the concrete. He's checking out this bug over here, cruising along. Alright, never used this stand before, so I'll do the best I can. We got a little bit of new equipment. This nice little camera stand, if I don't knock it over. And we're just gonna reach right here, take this out, and drain this packing fluid out of this motor. Set the ratchet the right way. Kind of tight. Go in the right way. Ooh, the cow. Okay. That one's on tight, fellas.
Spark plug.
Spark plug. No kidding. Got a little, ooh, sorry for the noise. Let's get a little loosening facilitator. There we go. I don't want to run this stuff in the engine. There we go. Drain that right out. I probably should have caught it and used it for something else, but I mean, I won't throw it away. It'll get used to melt some aluminum down. It's just nice and clean. I should have captured it. Should have caught it in my oil can. I think I'm a little late for starting out. Where is my oil can? It is not here. I would say that's where it is. Not here. Okay. Anyway, we're draining this nicely. At least we would. That would stay out of the way. Stand it back up so we get it all out of there. That's pretty much it there, folks. So I'm gonna, yeah, there's not much left. So we're gonna replace this plug. And I'm not gonna tighten it as tight as it was, because that's just ridiculous. So clean the dipstick and replace it. I don't know why I'm replacing it. I was just fixing to put oil on it. Alright. Now move this. Clean my plug off here. And give it a tightening. That's all it needs. And sorry for the noise. Just in case I make a mess, I'll put that there. Alright. Anyway, say it used 1 quart. We're going to use Castrol GTX. 1040 is a little thicker than I probably would have went with, but it's summertime, so it won't hurt a thing. And we're going to try that. It's a non-synthetic. It's important for wet clutch engines to not put synthetic in them. Unless it specifically said it's for a motorcycle, I wouldn't. Let's see here. If this will stay on there without crashing down. Don't know if it will or not. Maybe. Maybe. If y'all go falling down, I'm sorry. that wide mouth bottle design, so I'm probably going to go find a funnel. Not that funnel. I will be right back. That camera's probably going to fall. Preparation. Right. All right. This machine holds about a quart, so put it in there. You know, the price of this stuff is getting ridiculous. $4 and something a quart for the cheaper stuff. I used to buy it for 88 cents a quart. Alright, I'll stop just before the bottom. Just about put the whole thing in there. I wish I would have slowed down a little. Okay. Stand it up. Yeah. I was always taught to screw this in, but yeah, that's full. It is full, just like I want it. Yep. Not quite a quart. We'll run it a while, and I'll check it. I'll check it later once it gets running, because there's just a touch left in the bottom of that. But it's fine. It's plenty full. All right, that's what I wanted you to see. A little bit of an oil change there. Have a good day.